When luxury meets power, the world's most elite leaders ride in custom, armored vehicles that cost more than a mansion. These aren't just cars, they are rolling palaces, built for prestige, comfort, and security. Today we count down the most luxurious presidential cars in the world, with prices. Number 5. DS7 Crossback Élysée. France takes a different approach, modern, stylish, and uniquely French. The DS7 Élysée combines luxury with innovation. The interior features Alcantara, fine leather, and advanced suspension technology for an ultra-smooth ride. It may look subtle, but it's fully armored and built for presidential security while maintaining French elegance. Price $150,000 to $180,000. Number 4. Bentley State Limousine. This is one of the rarest and most luxurious cars ever built. The Bentley State Limousine was created exclusively for the British monarch. Only a few exist in the world. The interior features handcrafted wood veneers, plush leather, and a cabin designed for royal visibility and comfort. Every detail reflects tradition, heritage, and timeless British luxury. Price around $600,000 to $750,000. Number 3. Mercedes-Maybach S680 Guard. German precision meets presidential luxury. The Mercedes-Maybach Guard is used by world leaders and high-ranking officials across Europe. Inside, passengers are surrounded by whisper-quiet luxury, reclining massage seats, ambient lighting, and the finest materials Mercedes can offer. Despite its elegance, this car is certified to the highest ballistic protection standards, proving that luxury and safety can coexist perfectly. Price around $600,000 to $750,000. Number 2. Aurus Senat Limousine, Russia. Russia's answer to Rolls-Royce is the Aurus Senat, designed exclusively for the Russian president. This luxury limousine features a handcrafted interior, premium leather, natural wood, and a minimalist yet powerful design. The Aurus combines old-school luxury with modern engineering, massive armor, and a commanding road presence that symbolizes authority and national pride. Price around $1.6 million to $2 million. Number 1. Cadillac One, the Beast. This is the most famous presidential car on the planet. Nicknamed the Beast, the U.S. president's Cadillac is based on a heavy-duty military platform. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury limousine, leather seating, advanced communications, and total isolation from the outside world. But beneath the luxury is extreme protection. Armored doors thicker than airplane walls, bulletproof glass, run-flat tires, and even emergency medical systems. Luxury, security, and dominance, all in one car. $1.5 million to $2.5 million. These presidential cars are more than transportation. They are symbols of power, prestige, national identity, and ultimate luxury. From armored American Beasts to royal British Bentleys, these vehicles redefine what luxury truly means at the highest level. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment below. Which presidential car impressed you the most?